I slept so well last night. Just being able to stretch my legs out on a real bed. It felt amazing. But that only lasted one night. Starting tonight, I'm back to sleeping in my van again. Honestly, I don't even want to start work today. Before heading out, I decided to get a haircut. This is me, a handsome young guy, Paul. Do I look 28 to you? I don't think so. I feel like I still look like I just graduated from college. But the truth is, I've been driving a delivery van for 3 years now. This is my little van. It's a tool I use to survive, and it's also my home. Right now, I'm loading my blanket and clothes back into it. I spend most of the year living in this van. I travel across different cities in China for work. The only time I get to sleep on a real couch is when I pass by Zhengzhou and stay at a friend's place. 不知道你为何只是我的爱。This is today's pickup location.
到了，罗汉松。
Oh wow, it's a flower and plant market. It's freezing outside, but in here, everything is green and alive. Standing among all these trees actually feels kind of peaceful today's cargo. A tree. It definitely doesn't look cheap. I probably could never afford a tree like this, but at least I get to transport it.
Oh, okay.
In a way, I get to own it for a little while. And honestly, that makes me kind of happy. Before officially hitting the road, I need to eat something first. These small street food carts are my favorite. Cheap, filling, and fast. I ordered a plate of fried noodles. It only costs $1. That's the cheapest lunch I can find. This trip is about 200 kilometers. Since the customer isn't in a hurry, I am avoiding the highway. That way, I can save some toll money. When you live like this, every expense matters. My van runs on batteries. In the summer, it can go about 200 kilometers on a full charge. But in the winter, it drops to around 150. So I have to stop and recharge along the way. Whenever I am charging, I like to walk around the area a bit. For me, that's like a small trip within the trip. 出发喽！还有3小时20分钟。For truck drivers all over the world, loneliness is probably the biggest enemy. You drive alone for hours, no one to talk to. Sometimes even your own voice starts to feel unfamiliar. So I talk to myself in the van a lot. At least that way, I don't feel completely alone. 140公里，还有3个小时，到了一个未知的小镇，热热闹闹，开心，后期配音 ，OK， 过了吧，呼噜吧哩个噜。This small town is surprisingly lively. Bright lights, people everywhere. Honestly, if I didn't still have a delivery to finish, I'd probably walk around for a bit and explore, but for someone like me, stopping is a luxury. 10:30 at night. I finally arrived at the delivery location. After a long day on the road, it's over. Time to say goodbye to my little tree. It traveled 200 kilometers with me today. It was only temporary, but for a while, it was mine. I'm setting up my bed now, which basically means laying my blanket out in the van. Winter is honestly the hardest season for me. It gets cold in here, and the nights are very quiet. Alright, my friends, it's time for me to sleep. I hope all of you are living your lives happily. Tomorrow, I'll be back on the road again.